Hi guys, this is Naresh. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss burn fat 24/7 even when you are sleeping. I'm just going to give you 4 tips. Through those 4 tips which are very easily incorporated. You can incorporate that in your daily life and it will actually help you to burn fat, not muscles. Burn fat 24/7. So number 4, water. You need to drink water, not so much water, just enough water, and we need to make sure that the temperature is less. If you are going to drink cold water, the body is going to work to stabilize the temperature, body temperature. So in that way, body is going to do some extra efforts to balance the temperature. So in that way, you will be able to burn more fat. Third one is so now I'm coming to the topic how you can burn fat while you are sleeping. It's a very simple thing. Just lower the room temperature, say 18, 19 or 20 degrees. So lower the temperature. Now when the temperature is lower, definitely you are going to your body is going to work on balancing again the temperature, the same thing. So body is going to burn more fuel. From where that fuel will come? The fuel will come from the fat. It all depends on your dieting. Will come to that thing. So you need to also make sure that your primary fuel source is fat. So if you are burning, if you are sleeping in a temperature which is very low, quite low, like 18-20 degrees centigrade, you are going to burn more calories. Which brings me, this is low temperature, room temperature. Which brings me to second point, sleep more. You need to sleep more. It has been shown in many studies that the persons who were sleeping just 5 hours or 5.5 hours against the persons who were sleeping 8 or 8.5 hours. So the persons who were sleeping by 8.5 hours were eventually ended up burning more fat. So you need to sleep more, at least more than 6 hours. You need to make sure that you are sleeping at least 6 hours or more. Now first one is light. This is the most important thing, because in all these 3 topics we are actually forcing, or we are creating such an environment that our body needs to have some fuel. Our body needs to burn something so that the temperature can be balanced. Now we are giving our body to work, but we also need to make sure our body only burns fat. How is it possible? The thing is, if whatever you are eating, if you are eating so many carbs, definitely carb is going to be the dominant fuel source, and your body is only going to burn carb. But if you are lowering your carbs, if you are eating low carb diet, say it can be Atkins 20, it can be keto, whatever you are following. If you are eating low carbs, that means your body's dominant fuel source is fat. Now if your body's dominant fuel source is fat, whatever the energy it needs, if your body is adapted to use fat, whatever you do in these 3 things, your body is anyways going to take fat and it is going to burn it. It is going to use that as a fuel to balance the body temperature. So this is the most important thing. We need to make sure that our body is adapted to burn fat. If your body is adapted to burn fat, you are going to lose fat 24/7, whether you are walking, lying around or sleeping, whatever. So these are the just 4 tips to burn fat 24/7. See you next time. Do subscribe my channel for more shorter and informative videos. Thank you.